When I was a kid, there was one dish that could fix everything, from bad mood to fever. Dadi ki khichdi. Simple basmati rice, a handful of moong dal. Dadi always said, "Zyada masale se pet nahi, pyar se pet bharta hai." She'd soak them together. Humesha bina nap tolke, bas andas se. That's Dadi's secret, cooking from the heart. Then came the best part, the aroma of ghee and jeera filling the house. That smell meant comfort was on its way. Dadi would sneak in a few veggies, saying, "Sharir ko taqat bhi chahiye beta." Everything went into one cooker. Haldi for color, salt for taste, and Dadi's smile for magic. That fuss sound of the cooker, that was the soundtrack of every lazy afternoon at home. And finally, Dadi's rule, khichdi bina ghee ke to adhuri hai. Soft, buttery, comforting. Dadi's khichdi was never just food, it was an emotion served hot. आज भी जब लाइफ थोड़ी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लगती है, मैं बस दादी वाली खिचड़ी बना लेती हूँ. Simple, soulful, and pure love in every bite.